it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing another box from Dr. Zenovia. This is a skincare line that creates products that are targeted towards different hormonal issues. I did a huge, and I'll try to link to it like right here, unboxing and then a full review on my blog of their range. But this is another item. These boxes just, I never have contacted this. This was sent to me for review. I've never ordered this, bought it, whatever. They just keep showing up. I never talk to the brand. Usually when a brand wants to send you, just an FYI, they will reach out. They will send them something to you, like an email or something. I never remember talking to this brand. I don't remember joining any programs for them. And I don't know how they would get my address unless it's through like maybe, I don't know, a PR agency or whatever. But nevertheless, the products come and I'm actually really, I love them. I think they're fantastic. So we're going to open these up. The line is very like what you'd expect to find at your dermatologist, a minimal line. The packaging is very simple, like something like Jan Marini, those kinds of brands there. So the Dr. Zenovia line is very simple. The packaging is not the point, it's the product itself. They do tend to be very effective products. If you're looking for an effective, not that aesthetic kind of skincare that kind of just makes you feel good using it, this is an effective line. I will link down below to my blog where I will do an in-depth review. We'll go through the ingredients list. We'll go through who I think it's meant for, because, you know, skincare is not created equal. You know, it's not for everyone. One product could be for a very specific type of person, a very specific type of skin type, and it might not work for everyone. And you have to be clear about who it's for. And I really try to do a really good job of that in the review. That's why I try things out. And, you know, we kind of take our time and see how it goes. All right. So anyway, all right. This box is full of tissue paper. They like put the tissue paper in to make it look real cool when you open it. So it's like laying there. All right. So first up is the Dr. Zenovia Retinol Recovery Eye Cream. So as you get older, as you age, even in your late 20s, you should start trying to use eye cream and like kind of working that into your skincare. Because this is retinol, I'm guessing that you'd only use this at night because you do not want to use retinol in the day. But let's see. Directions. How to use. Apply a pea-sized amount to under eye area and gently pat with ring finger into skin for optimal absorption. Avoid direct eye contact. It does not say to use only at night. Personally, anything with retinol, I wait until the nighttime to take. But I'm looking here at their ingredients, and it says there's resveratrol, a Bakuchiol, which is a retinol like alternative, which you can use in the daytime. Genistein, camellia, or green tea, that's all it says. Aloe leaf juice, cucumber fruit extract. So I'm guessing you can use this in the day because it isn't actually retinol. Anyway, so this is a 0.5 ounce container. Let's see what it looks like. I use an eye cream every day. I have so many eye creams, but I use them a lot more now that life is catching up. So this is the tube. It's a nice tube. And you do want a tube because you don't want to be dipping your finger into a tub and then dipping it on your eye. Girl, no. Get them Ronis. All right. I have this hilarious, okay, side note. Sorry. Here we go. So there's this band called the Jonas Brothers, who I'm not really familiar with their music, but whatever. They make music for young women, targeted towards young women. But what if we had the Ronas Brothers? And they were like sick, but they had corona. But that's not very funny. But I had that thought in my head the other day, and I don't know. I wanted to share with you guys to see where that goes. That might be a no go. All right. Anyway, next product. All right, this is the Dr. Zenovia Inflammaging Night Repair Treatment. This has antioxidants and as well as Bakuchiol. Helps reduce pore size and the appearance of redness, fine lines, and puffiness. Ooh, that sounds exciting. This also has resveratrol, Bakuchiol, genistein, camellia or green tea, aloe leaf juice. You like how I'm doing this one? Cucumber fruit extract. All right. So this is a night repair. So obviously you put it on at night, but is it like a moisturizing cream? Apply a rich layer onto clean face and neck. Use in the evening for enhanced results. Layer with peptide and ceramide repairing moisturizer. Ooh, I think I have their ceramide. I love ceramide. Such a great, if you're looking for a really great product that actually makes your skin instantly look plumper, ceramide is one that will do that. So this is the tube. Ooh, I like this. All right, so It's very similar to the eye cream tube, but it has this pump. That's what it looks like. It doesn't have a smell, which you really don't want it to have a smell. So this is, I have a scratch. I think it's from my cat, but I don't remember. It's not a thick, heavy cream. So like I would put a night cream on over this. Personally, I like to soak up all the juice I can while I'm sleeping. That's how I refer to that. But it is nice. It's lightweight. It stings a little bit in my scratch. So I know that there's some chemical in there working its magic. Maybe my skin will heal faster. But anyway, so these are the two products that came in this box from Dr. Zenovia from that range. Like I said, I'll try to link, if I remember, I know that's awful, here to my full range review and the unboxing video, and then I'll also link down below to my review of these two products from the line and kind of give you guys an idea of what I think of them all around after trying them a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.